We are back at it again here with another video to invest for tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Here we are with TRKA sitting around 24 cents in the after hours and fighting to stay above all day today the 25-cent support. Now, it was not the only stock experiencing volatility. The overall market and the SPY did as well. And our SPY bot at 9:55 a.m. sent out a bull indicator, and from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, full strength there on 42 vision, and our newly released flow bot a few minutes after at 10:30 a.m. as you see there in the charts, sent out a bullish flow, full strength there within the charts, and call options went up 200% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge over the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots, and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. So here we are with TRKA, fighting to stay above here of that 25-cent mark, slightly below it in the after hours, and we need to talk about what's going on here with the inflow versus outflow and bull and bear indicators. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations, and if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So the home run of the day was from our Tesla bot. Our Tesla bot at 9:55 a.m. sent out a bull indicator, and from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, full strength there on 42 vision, and call options went up 100% plus within hours, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge over the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with TRKA, as I stated earlier in the video, sitting sideways and fighting to hold support in the after hours. It was around 24 cents at the start of this video. Right now it's around 23 cents, and it's going to be crucial if it could fight and get back over 25, as it fought to stay above it all day today. Now, as you see here in the charts, it's done a full transition from the rip area of bright green bars to the dip area last week, and it's continued into this week. And if this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the rips from the dips to the rips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as an extra layer of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with TRKA under a bear indicator since way up here at around 85 cents. A full transition happened from the rip area to the dip area, and outflows cross on that date. And since then, the outflows have been dominating, and this bear indicator has had strength over the chart. And we came back to test the lows there of 27 cents on Friday of last week, and we've hit a dip area consecutively again from Friday to today's opening bell, and we've been fighting here between 22 cents, 21 cent area all the way up to 26 cents, which is nearly 1 cent below that lowest point of that date of a major pullback. Again, it wasn't just TRKA falling, the overall market was pulling back that date, but TRKA, as we talked about in previous videos, released their earnings report, and it turned into one of those situations, in my opinion, not financial advice, just my perspective and opinion alone, of the rumors and then afterwards the news, right? Go ahead, pay attention to it while there's rumors, and then once the news is out, it kind of fades away any interest in the stock. I guess that's what happened, in my opinion. I could be completely wrong, but it's no coincidence that, yes, the overall market was weak, but then also earnings were released on that same date in the morning, and that's when the weakness started, right? Now, I've seen a lot of different posts out there in different forums talking about that the short interest is still high and the possibility of another squeeze is on the rise, right? Now, there's going to be a lot of factors that play into this, because when we zoom out and we look at the real pushes, they have happened under bull indicators on the 1 hour chart, as we see there, and inflows crossing over, bull indicator and inflows crossing over, and here it was under a bull indicator already, and inflows pulled away from the midpoint and went higher. And right now we have outflows dominating. I think it's going to be crucial and critical for inflows to really pick up here and for a possible bull indicator to pop up on the larger time frames like the 1 hour and also here on the 30-minute, as it's really close there to the midpoint and under a bear indicator here since 34 to 35 cent area. Now, I'm going to share with you guys the key levels I would watch going into tomorrow. I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below. Do you believe it could squeeze again, or it's very high with short interest, creating the possibility that the short squeeze is on the horizon? Or do you think this faded away and it created fear, uncertainty, and doubt, and it's not coming back up and the short squeeze is over? I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below. Now, here we are with TRKA on the 30-minute, and the first thing I would look for is these inflows to pick up and cross the midpoint, guys. It is right there, really close to it. I would love to see that crossover, and if it crosses over, not guaranteed, but based off the history of the chart, when these inflows cross over, as you could see here back on Wednesday of last week, things went from 34 cents all the way up to 49 cents in a matter of minutes to hours. So when those inflows cross over, it could start reflecting that strength pretty quickly into the chart. Now, on the 15-minute within the volatility, we can see here how inflows are right there as well across the midpoint, very close to it, but it has not crossed over to the upside. Now, it had a bull indicator here in the middle of the day at around 23 cents, and a bear indicator has not confirmed yet, but within the volatility there, it needs 3 more minutes to actually close, may confirm. Now, it got canceled here as it pulled back up. You guys got to see that live there on the 15 minutes. So I'm going to be watching if this bull indicator can hold true, not get canceled by that possible bear indicator, and these inflows to cross to the upside on the 15-minute, on the 30-minute, and start getting that strength back up here on the 1 hour, as things are really close here to the midpoint. Now, what are the key levels I'm looking for? Well, the first support is 22 cents. Then below that is 20 cent area. And below 20 cents comes the 18 to 15 cent area. Now, to the upside, as I stated, if these inflows could pick up on the 15-minute, on the 30-minute, and cancel these bear indicators on the 15-minute and 30-minute, and hold true this bull indicator here, this is going to be crucial and the first resistance to the upside, as these inflows try to pick up and reflect that strength into the chart, is going to be 28 cent area, guys. Today it rejected at around 26 cent area, but that's where the rejection really happened in the second half of the day on Friday. So I'm going to be watching that right there around that level. And then above that comes the 30 to 32 cent area. So these are the key levels I'm watching. I'm going to watch for these bull and bear indicators to see if they get crossed over to turn into bull indicators on the 30-minute and 1 hour. And I'm going to watch if these inflows versus outflows can get stronger here and cross the midpoint, so that inflows start to dominate on multiple time frames to possibly reflect that strength into the chart, guys. These are the key levels I'm watching. And as always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.